We'll guide you through how to make scribble edges in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by launching your Illustrator application on your computer. Once it is open, go to the top bar menu and select File to access document options. From the drop-down, choose New to create a fresh project. Pick your preferred preset size based on your needs, then click Create to open your canvas and start working. To make scribble edges, begin by drawing your object as the base shape for the effect. Go to the toolbar and select the shape tools available for drawing basic forms. In this tutorial, use the rectangle tool as the primary shape for demonstration. Draw a rectangle on your canvas by clicking and dragging to define its size. After placing the shape, adjust the stroke thickness so the edges are clearly visible when effects are applied. When your shape is ready, go back to the top menu bar to continue. Find the Effect option among the menu items. From the drop-down menu, choose Stylize, and then select Scribble to apply the effect. A pop-up window will appear, showing several options for adjusting how the effect looks. Check the preview box so you can immediately see how the result looks when the effect is applied. Go to the Settings menu within the window, then click the Preset menu to explore different scribble styles. You will see many scribble effect variations to choose from. Select the effect that best matches your preference or design goal. After choosing, adjust the effect settings such as angle, spacing, and variation to refine the appearance. Once satisfied, click OK to confirm the effect. Now your shape already has scribbled edges applied to it. You can try applying another effect to a different shape or even a line to explore more possibilities. Continue making adjustments and experimenting until you become familiar with how the function works and how different settings influence the final result. As you practice, repeat the process with different shapes, stroke sizes, and presets to better understand the range of visual outcomes you can achieve. Over time, this will help you confidently apply scribble effects in your own designs and combine them with other Illustrator tools for more creative and polished results as you continue refining your workflow and exploring new styles.